Hi friends! So I'm going to show you real quick how to put dog clothes on your dog, especially if you purchase them from my Etsy shop, Bailey's Way Designs. So these are usually made from cotton, so they're not super stretchy, which as a human, we can put our arms backwards, but the dogs, they can't do that. So I'm going to show you a real quick and easy way to get these shirts on your pup. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the Velcro, only the bottom one is done. So if you have them both done, you're not going to be able to slip it over very easily, but you just want the bottom one done. For sure, that one needs to be there, because if it's not connected, you're not going to be able to get it over his head very well. So this guy is still a puppy, as you can see. He's barely 11 months old, and I'm going to walk you through real quick how we're going to put this on him. So the best way that I like to do is to stick him in my lap like this, and we're going to start by getting his arms in the armholes. And he might not like it, and that's okay, because I don't care if he likes it or not. So, hey, we've got one here. Who wants a treat? A treat? You're probably gonna need treats, to be honest, to be able to get this to work pretty well. So get his arms through both of the armholes, boom. So that's the first step. Now what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna put this over his head, and he's gonna hate this, but you're just gonna make him do it. But make sure that these arms are all the way through, otherwise you'll have some issues. So we're gonna pull, hey, we're gonna get a treat. You want a treat? Woo! We did it! Now let's get a treat. So then when he's got it on, just put him back in your lap real quick. Yeah, you can hand me a treat, that would be great. My husband with the assist with the treats. Good boy. So we found what's best is when you get it on him, give him a treat, and when you take it off of him, get him a treat, because that way he gets used to putting it on and off. So once it's on here, now we can just adjust this last little Velcro, and voila, he's got his shirt on. Come here, babies. Come here. Come here. Come show everybody on the camera. Sit. Sit. Yes, good boy. And there you have it. That's simple and easy. And to take it off, you're just going to do the exact opposite. So we're going to take him here. We're going to undo this just to make it easy. And just like you would with a baby, you're just going to lift it up, and you're going to pull it over his head like so. And voila! Now you get another treat. There you have it, simple and easy.